Are you the weirdo who emailed me a challenge earlier? Who does that?
Well, it worked, didn't it?
Whatever. Mick Bridges.
Mad Cat. It's Moxie Mad Cat.
I'm still gonna boop you in the face, though.
And I'm still gonna kick you in the spleen. Sorry to say, it's over before it began. The sport boxer's got no chance against these legs. Give up? My legs are longer than your arms. You have no chance.
You haven't thrown a single punch.
So what? I don't need punches when I have these righteous stems.
So in other words, all I gotta do is negate your reach.
Wait, what?
I'm coming for you.